March 23, 2020, the Jackson-Madison County Regional Health Department called a press conference late in the evening. Director of the Health Department, Kim Tefford, and Chief Compliance and Communications Officer for West Tennessee Healthcare, Amy Garner, were both there.
We knew it was imminent that we would have our first case. We just didn't know when. So I guess it wasn't surprising. It was just, we need to get this information out to the public before it gets out ahead of us letting the public know.
Well, I remember being very nervous. We had already had our first hospitalization here at Jackson-Madison County General Hospital.
The first case of COVID-19 was confirmed in Madison County that night. Task forces were activated and county leaders went into action as case numbers continuously rose from that day forward.
It was hard. Yeah, we started out slow, and when we looking back at a lot of the press releases that Mallory's done, you know, we kind of creeped up. That number creeped up a little bit every day.
There were days where the number of new cases reached an all-time high in the county, and COVID hospitalizations were well over 100 patients. After the first confirmed case in Madison County, the demand for those on the front line never slowed, but the community kept them hopeful.
Let me show you. This is just one stack of letters, of cards that I've received in the mail. I've got more in the rock, but that is just mail that I received from people in the community.
We saw so much support from our community. We had prayer vigils, we had people writing messages in chalk on our sidewalks.
Health officials counted down to the day a vaccine would finally be available to help slow the spread of the virus. Now, a year later, between West Tennessee Healthcare and the Health Department, over 45,000 Madison County residents are vaccinated. Tefford and Garner both say they see hope and a light at the end of the tunnel. Imani Williams, 39 News, Jackson.